Hi guys. Welcome to our channel, PureGK Today I am going to tell you about 6 Android app that will steal your personal data. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please press the red subscribe button and the bell icon to get the latest notification from PureGK 1. QuickPic. QuickPic used to be a friendly and easy-to-use photo gallery. It was bought by Cheetah Mobile last year. The company immediately started uploading users' data to their own servers, as evidenced by one Google Plus user who found a raft of new DNS requests that were attributable to the app. 2. ES File Explorer. Amazingly, it's probably the most popular file explorer app out there. The free version has been pumped full of bloatware and adware, and it endlessly nags you to download additional apps via non-disableable notification bar pop-ups. 3. UC Browser. The most popular Android web browser in China and India. It claims to have a fast mode that'll save you MBs of data usage thanks to compression. Tracking. Users' search queries are sent without encryption to Yahoo India and Google. A user's IMSI number, IMEI number, Android ID, and Wi-Fi MAC address are sent without encryption to Umeng and Alibaba's analytics tool. And users' geolocation data is transmitted without encryption to Alibaba mapping tool. 4. A junk file cleaner. That's been installed 10 million times and has 85% 4 or 5-star reviews. Most of what it advertises is detrimental to your phone. For example, clearing the cache will ultimately slow your phone down when it needs to be rebuilt. Clearing your RAM only leads to more battery usage, and killing running apps do not save your battery as claimed. 5. DU Battery Saver and Fast Charge. Another battery-saving app with an insane number of downloads. It has 7.6 million 5-star reviews. An app does not have the ability to change how fast your device charges. This is also the king of adverts. It sponsors almost every ad that you see in any other app and manifests its own ads on your lock screen and notifications bar. Also, all those fancy speed graphs and cool animations. 6. Dolphin Web Browser. An ad-free, Flash-supporting, HTML5 video-enabled browser. It's got 150 million downloads and counting. Like UC Browser, this is a tracking nightmare. Worst of all, it saves your incognito mode website visits in a file on your phone. Go and check. Don't believe the hype, delete it now. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe.